Universal Children's Day, 20th November. The United Nations Universal Children's Day, which was established in 1954, is celebrated on November 20 each year to promote international togetherness and awareness among children worldwide. UNICEF, the United Nations Children's Fund, promotes and coordinates this special day, which also works towards improving children's welfare. History. On December 14, 1954, the UN General Assembly had asked all the countries to observe the Universal Children's Day as a day of worldwide fraternity and understanding between children. It also recommended countries to observe the day to promote the efforts of the UN for the welfare of the children. The World Children's Day is celebrated on November 20 because General Assembly adopted the Declaration of the Rights of the Child in 1959 and the Convention on the Rights of the Child in 1989 on the same date. Significance. Universal Children's Day is an occasion for every individual to advocate and promote children's rights. The day also helps all of us, including the governments, to put dialogues into actions to build a better world for children. Observance. Many schools and other educational institutions make a special effort to inform children of their rights according to the Declaration of the Rights of the Child and the Convention on the Rights of the Child. Teachers stimulate their pupils to think about the difference between themselves and others and explain the idea of rights. In some areas, UNICEF holds events to draw particular attention to children's rights. These may be to stimulate interest in the media around the world or to start nationwide campaigns, for instance, on the importance of immunizations and breastfeeding. Many countries, including Canada, New Zealand, and the United Kingdom, hold Universal Children's events on November 20. However, other countries hold events on different dates, such as the 4th Wednesday in October, Australia, and November 14, India. Universal Children's Day is not observed in United States, although a similar observance, National Child's Day, is held on the first Sunday in June.